So in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickFunnels with Zoom so that anytime someone registers for your webinar, it automatically registers them for the webinar on Zoom. My name is Stacia Kennedy. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And I wanted to make sure that if you're new to my channel, I love helping new moms or busy entrepreneurs generate more leads and sales on autopilot so they can do what they love and actually love what they do. And this is the stuff I love doing. So I want to share it with you. So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to look into ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, if you're new to ClickFunnels, you don't have it yet, make sure to click the link below this video so you can learn more about what it is and how it works and why you should buy ClickFunnels under me. I'm going to give you a bunch of awesome bonuses. If you already have ClickFunnels and you're just trying to figure out how to integrate ClickFunnels with Zoom, that's fine with me as well. I just love giving to the community. So this is what I've been doing. I've been actually connecting Zoom with my ClickFunnels account because it doesn't automatically do it for me. So, and it does have other, integrations such as GoToWebinar or Webinar Jam and a lot of other different webinar platforms. But I've been loving Zoom, and Zoom actually is a lot cheaper than a lot of those other ones. So you can also click below this video as well, or somewhere here on the screen. I'm going to share with you my video tutorial or review as well too. So check that out. So this is what I've been doing. I'm creating a page within ClickFunnels, a registration page, right? So it's your typical registration page. This is what we're going to talk about on the webinar. This is the date of the webinar. This is what you're going to learn on the webinar. I really do only have 100 spots available. And then you click on, yes, save my spot. And then someone enters their name and email address. So I did all this within ClickFunnels within like less than 10 minutes, or less than 30 minutes, really. I probably could have done it faster, but you can really just click, point, change colors, add in text, things like that. And so I have it set up now so that it also talks with Aweber. And I'll show you real quick what my back end looks like. So I have the registration page, the confirmation page, the webinar replay, and things like that. So I just go into the edit page and then I go and add in Aweber. If you have the upgraded version of ClickFunnels, you don't even need Aweber. You can actually send emails and have a really smart email system within ClickFunnels that comes with the upgraded version. And if you want more information again on that stuff, then click the link below this video. But so what I do is I create this page and then I go and create a webinar within Zoom, which I'm using, I just used as well. So I created the webinar and the same information, right? Here's the topic, here's the time frame, blah, blah, blah. And I also have it set so that when someone confirms their email address or registers for the webinar, they automatically get a notification, right? So I don't have to do that. Every 1 hour before the webinar, 1 day before the webinar, 1 week before the webinar, they get emails. Okay. So I set it up within Zoom. Then what I use is a site called Zapier. So this is where it all comes together, guys. Zapier.com. So I go in and then I make a Zap. There's all kinds of different popular Zaps for different programs. So I just go make a Zap. So I realized actually when I was doing this tutorial earlier that I already actually have one for what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to quickly show you how it works and how it integrates and show you. So there's a bunch of different trigger apps here. So what I'm going to do is have it talk to ClickFunnels. I want it to talk to ClickFunnels. I want it to create and next time I have a new contact that registers, then I'm going to save and continue. And then actually I already have an account set up. So I'm going to click my account. If you don't have an account, it'll actually ask you to, open up your account and make sure it talks to it. And then now it's twiddling its thumbs asking what funnel that I'm looking for. I can even type it in. So it starts searching, types that in. And so the funnel step, the step that I wanted to talk about is when someone registers, so webinar registration, that they register over at Zoom. So it's making sure everything's okay. All right, test successful. Then I want it to talk to Zoom. So I go in here. If Zoom doesn't show up, this is one of my favorite ones. So it's already in my apps, but you can go in and search. So I go to Zoom And then I say every time I want it to create a registrant, not create a meeting. And so I wanted to create a new webinar registrant. And then I already have my account in there, so I save and continue. And then I require to find the webinar that I want it to register for. And this is important. You need to have first name, last name, and email. So if you noticed, when I had the pop-up on the registration page on Clickfunnels, I had that as well in there. So I have to make sure that information is in there when I do this. So I go Stacia and first name, last name. You also have to test your page beforehand so that when Zapier is looking for names, it is already in there as well. So it has my information because I already tested the page. So you want to make sure you do that as well. So click email. And yes, I want to send the information and confirmation to people. So then I actually just filled all that out and click continue, and then it'll test it to make sure it's okay. This one, I actually already did it, so I'm just going to go back and show you how it's already done. Right here, affiliate MLM, and have it on. So it's all set and ready to go. So I'll go back into the one that I did, and it's usually will say, awesome, your Zap is working. And that's it. That's how I have it talk from Clickfunnels, talk to Zoom, and everything integrates all together. And it's free. Zapier is a free program or free software. And it does have a paid version, but I haven't actually had to use it yet. I don't know if it's just a certain amount of Zaps that you use, or there's other features in it too, but I haven't had to use it. This is only one of the best things that I use it for. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more tutorials like this or have a specific question about ClickFunnels, make sure to inbox me. You can also find me on Facebook. Make sure also to subscribe if you love these videos and want good vibes. And I'll see you on the next video. Much love and aloha.